Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine Marie. I am a self-taught sewist in love with fashion, beauty, and design. I've been stuck in a little bit of a creative rut, just overthinking life. And I thought it would be very therapeutic to go thrifting today. I really want to find some pieces that I can upcycle to wear this summer because I don't know if you're like me, but I just feel like clothes to buy nowadays just don't excite me. There's no color, there's no sequins, there's no embellishment, and I need that in my life. I want to make my dream summer wardrobe. So I'm going to bring you all along with me today to pick up some pieces from my local Goodwill. Just got back from Goodwill. I'm going to show you all what I picked up. At first, I was like kind of overwhelming myself with like, what could the items be? Like, what could I make them into? And then I started focusing on the fabric. Like, do I like the fabric? Because what I make from it can really be anything, but do I like the fabric? This has so much potential. Like, it just has so much potential. So my thought is a top and a skirt, like a two-piece set, super cute, like Sabrina Carpenter retro vibe. I think this is going to come together. I'm excited to reinvent this. You're going to see. Okay, this is the before. Get a good look at her. I have exactly this much fabric left. This is it. I'm gonna do my best to figure out what to do with this. I kind of just got an idea from watching one of my neighbors outside to do like a scarf belt. So I gotta cut it a little bit more, but I think it could be cute. I really wanna repurpose the rest because I just love this fabric. This is the final look. I think it turned out so nice. I feel like it's giving like Italian summer. I feel like wearing this in Italy would be so cute. And my headband. I'm obsessed with this. I love the colors. I think that not having the skirt actually worked out to just making the tie and then the headband. Are we feeling it? Are we feeling the final look? This is the back. I have so many other things that I ended up getting at the thrift store that I think I'm just going to put in my next videos, because I think if I put everything in one, it might be like too long. So stay tuned for other videos in this series of me making clothes to wear this summer, making my dream summer wardrobe, because I think clothes at stores are boring. If you want to keep up with me, I am on other social media platforms at the Charmaine Marie, on TikTok, Instagram, you know, all the things. I'm at the Charmaine Marie. And I hope if you love this video, you subscribe so you can Stay tuned for more DIYs, more fashion videos. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.